Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the transcript tool in Odysseyware. This will help you fill in gaps in your notes. And if you would like to read the transcript while the video is playing, you can also follow along that way. So anytime you get to a video, it will look like this. You hit the play icon to play the video. And beneath the video is this little button that says Show Transcript. And if you click on that, you'll see that it displays the text for everything that is said in the video itself. And you can scroll through here as the video plays and look at the transcript options and what's being said, or you can copy this information and add it to a note. So you have it right next to the video. Again, hit save. And better yet, what I recommend you guys do so that you get the most out of your notes is to go look at the transcript afterwards. So after you've taken down your own notes and your own words, go back to the transcript and use it to fill in any gaps you have. But the transcript tools are really useful in just getting extra information out of the video you're reading. And again, you can click Show Transcript. You can highlight the information you need from the transcript, copy it, and add it to a note if you need to. Or you can use it to go back and fill in any gaps in the notes you took on your own. And that's how to use the transcript tool.